Hey guys, Dennis here with Source One Environmental. Today I'm here to talk to you about Chimney Guard, another great Quadex product. It is a flexible manhole chimney coating. It's 100% solid epoxy, urethane hybrid. It's a flexible coating that's made for surfaces that experience heavy freeze, thaw, and heavy traffic. It comes in a pre-measured kit, a part A and a part B, easy to mix. One kit is designed to cover the top 24 inches of your manhole, which is the chimney. So today I'm going to show you using this area right here how it's going to be applied to the chimney. So before you apply your Chimney Guard, you're going to want to do some prep work. So just make sure your area is clear of any loose debris and just make sure it's clean enough to apply the Chimney Guard. Here are some tools that you're going to need to apply Chimney Guard. To mix, we have a drill mixer right here. We have some basic trowels, a couple different styles, and we have some gloves here. And that's basically all you need to get started to apply Chimney Guard. Okay, so ready to start mixing, and let's jump right into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour our part B into our part A, and we're going to mix it all at once. Just using a small trowel here to kind of get everything out. As you can see, it's kind of, both of these are roughly the same color, and you're going to mix until everything's kind of a uniform color all at once. So with Chimney Guard, you're going to have an extended work time. So we're looking at 120-minute work time at 70 degrees. All right, let's mix her up. Looks good. Okay, so we finished mixing our Chimney Guard. So you can see here, it's a pretty steady white consistency. It looks kind of putty-ish. So we got a good mix there. Okay, now we're going to apply it to our top part of our chimney here. So very easy to use. So going to take our hand trowel right here, and we're looking at 100 mils per coat. The elongation of this stuff is 270%, and let's start putting it on. Super easy to apply. There we go. Stuff is very spreadable, easy to put on. All right, let's fill in this here. And that's roughly what your finished product's going to look like. So this Chimney Guard is going to be tack-free after 7 hours. So tack-free meaning it's not going to be sticky to the touch. So each coat, or I'm sorry, each kit, your part A and your part B, we mix it all at once, but each kit's meant to do the top 2 feet of a standard 24-inch manhole. When you're on a live job, you're going to be working in a circle covering the top 2 feet of the manhole. That part of the manhole is going to see the extreme freeze and thaw and the heavy traffic. That's why Chimney Guard is a good product, because of its elongation, its flexibility. So again, you'd work all the way around so your top 2 feet are covered.